Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a new project and importing the photo you want to edit. This gets you into VN's timeline quickly. Once the image is on the timeline, set the project aspect ratio and adjust the image duration to match your cut. Make sure to enable the timeline zoom so you can place edits precisely. These steps let you see keyframes and layer options clearly, which is why we do them first, so later adjustments are accurate and efficient. Next, you refine the image visually. Apply a filter for tone, then correct exposure, contrast, and saturation to make the subject read well on screen. After base correction, add keyframes to animate scale, position, or rotation. Use ease curves to create natural motion. If you need focus or vignette, use mask and feather, then blend with opacity or blend modes to integrate overlays. Once these adjustments are set, play back to confirm timing and visual flow before moving to final polish. To finish, apply a final color LUT or subtle adjustment layer so your image matches the project look. Check on different brightness settings to avoid clipping. Next, render a short test clip at your target settings. 1080p, 30 FPS is a reliable start, and inspect for artifacts or jitter caused by keyframes. If all looks good, export the full project using the chosen codec and save a project backup with source assets. If something goes wrong, recheck keyframe interpolation and timeline zoom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.